Hello, this is Balaji. Now going to see about the some basics tips in Excel. So for that I will take 10 quantities. 10 quantities. Quantities are 10, 20, 8, 5, 24, 7, 16, 25, 16. So I will do the sum and sum if and sum ifs in Excel. For that I will for sum and sum if we taken only do with one column only. So we taken for that, first of all we going to see about the sum. So for that we can put equal and select the cell and we put equal and we type sum and we have to open the bracket. So after that we are asking that number, so we have to select the quantities, yeah, which quantity we want to sum. Okay, that will be select. Sum means we have to adding all the quantities, that's been summing. So we have to select all the quantities. It will be given all the cells from third cell to B12 and put enter means we getting sum of all the quantities we getting as sum. Okay, and next one is we have to use sum if command. For that we have to put equal and type sum if. You have to put sum if and open the bracket. So yeah, you have to select. The first is they asking range we have to select. For that we have to select all the quantities and next we have to put comma and they asking that criteria means we have to give some criteria. I will give that is greater than or equal to 10. That means that the values greater than 10 will be summed. That is add of that greater than some 10 value will be added and we getting as a sum. So here we getting 107. So the greater than 10 greater than or equal to 10 is 10, 20, 25, 16, 25 and 16. These values are added and we getting as sum of if. Sum if. Okay, so normally sum if is the condition we get. Condition we give in sum if. This is for sum if and this is sum. And next we're going to see about the sum ifs. For that we taken some table we taken. So for that we I taken that one product sold by salesperson table. I will taken 10 records. The quantity sold by the sold by the each person and particular product will be given here. So here quantities are 10 pen will be sold by Ram, 20 pencil will be sold by Bala, 8 pen will be sold by Bala, 5 pencil will be sold by Ram, 20 pen will be sold by Bala. Similarly, we have taken 10 records. So now we are going to see the which person's product will be given how many quantities that will be sold by particular person, particular product. That will be get 5 sum ifs command. So for that we have to type equal and type sum ifs ifs we have to type and we have to open the bracket. We is asking the sum range. First of all we have to select which we have to sum, that we have to select and we have to put comma. They are asking criteria range, we have to select criteria range. So we have to I will select the product as criteria. First of all I do select the criteria range and we have to, they asking that criteria one. I have to select the product criteria one. Criteria one is this product I will select. And next we have to put comma and next criteria range they asking. Criteria range 2 will be asking you have to select the salesperson and you have to put comma and they asking criteria third criteria you have to select. So we have to select salesperson criteria and we have to go close the bracket and we have to push enter. Okay, here Ravi salesperson sold note will be 0. If I change this drop down list to Ram means Ram node cell will be 25. So it will be automatically calculating these values. Ram sold node will be 25. So here this will be giving Ram sold. So if you change this Ram sold pen will be sold will be 10 and pencil will be sold will be 21. So RAM pencils are added, and it will be shown that total quantities. Okay, so similarly, we have to change the salesperson to Ravi. Bala means it will be show that the Bala, so Bala salesperson sold pencil is 20. So similarly, you have to select the Ravi. If there is no record means it will be show that 0. So if I select Ravi sold a note, there is no record find in this Ravi, no record will be sold in the note will be sold, that will be 0. So likewise we have to use some ifs some ifs some ifs command. Here we have to use some ifs command, and here we can use some and some if. Thank you. Thank you for watching.